Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to get this look. First, I already washed my face, moisturized, and primed my skin. I use this Nars hydrating foundation. It's really good and it's really full coverage too. I usually only need 2 pumps of it because I have a small face and it's expensive. Just make sure to blend really well because one time at school somebody told me my makeup looked bad. Make sure to blend into your ear and into your neck too. For contour, I use this Charlotte Tilbury contour wand. It's also really expensive. And it gets dirty easily. As you can see, it blends really seamlessly into my skin though. I used the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the pink shade. Blend it out until it looks better and more smooth. I use this mini Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom Powder. Laguna Nars Bronzer is my ride or die. This is a Nars brightening powder. It's really good. This is powder SPF 50 to blend everything. If you couldn't tell already, I like the matte look. I try to follow the natural line of my lips. And even though sometimes it might look crazy, I don't care. NYX has the best brown lip liner and soft matte lip cream. Today I'm doing a black wing with this glitter eyeshadow. I like to drag my eyeliner into the shape that I want. Then clean up the mess with my beauty blender. Eyeliner can be hard sometimes, but it doesn't have to be. Like life. This mascara is pretty good, but I prefer the telescopic for less clumpy. And this is the completed look. Thanks for watching.